What is up, everybody? How are you all doing out there? I hope you're doing super awesome well. I am Ashley Ellix, and in this video today, I'm going to be starting my unboxing of the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery boxes of 2020. I do have all three boxes here, but in this video today, I'm going to be unboxing the $60 premium box that's supposed to have 4 items in it, and I believe 2 or 3 exclusives. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just started getting the mystery boxes during the holiday season, during the Christmas launch, because of all the exclusives. I was so excited for that because I totally missed out on the Halloween one. So I'm really excited to see what is going to be in these ones this round. Oh my goodness. I will be unboxing all 3, of course, but today on this video, it's going to be all about the smaller one. And I say smaller because $60 is still a lot of money. So I'm hoping that it's real good. If you're interested in seeing me unbox the other 2, I will be posting those individual videos as well. I wanted to break up the video this time just to kind of spice things up and make it a little different. I unboxed all 3 last time, and this time I want to try unboxing one at a time because I really just want to milk it, especially because they're pricier, and just like really appreciate it and just enjoy it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that notification when that video goes up. If you're watching this in the future, I might have already posted it. In that case, you can check the pinned comment down below because I will put the links there to the videos as soon as those are out for the Deluxe and the Supreme box. So don't miss out on that. And otherwise, outside of Jeffree Star unboxing, I post 3 videos a week, all beauty related and all cruelty free as well. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing. I am so amped to open up this box today. And if you want to see that too, then you're in the right place. And all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. All right, I'm gonna move these other 2 out of the way. And we got this guy. You guys, these boxes are so beautiful. I still have my Christmas ones and I don't know what to do with it. I can't throw them away. I'm looking at them right now because they're in the corner and I have no ideas. What do you guys do with the boxes if you use them? How do you display them? How do you utilize them? How do you reuse them? Because they're so cute. All right, let's just dive right in. Oh, I'm almost shaking, you guys. Okay, all right, hang on. Take some guesses down below in the comments. What do you think is gonna be in this mystery box, this size, the $60 one? I think I just saw something that I wanted because it's one of the only palettes I don't have of his, and I never got around to getting it, and I was freaking hoping that it was gonna come in this box, and I think, oh my gosh, I just saw it. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm trying not to be over dramatic, but you just never know with mystery boxes, you guys. Sometimes it's just products they're just trying to get rid of, but his boxes have been so good. Okay. Why am I don't know why I'm so emotional right now. I just think everything I'm seeing right now is so cute. I'm gonna let you take a peek at it already, okay? Got the tissue paper. Can I just take out this beanie right now? Oh, I am a beanie girl, you guys. I wear them so much, and look at the freaking little sweet tarts on the beanie. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. You guys, I'm obsessed. Oh, I had no idea. Obviously, it's a mystery. It's a mystery box. I try to stay away from spoilers too. I don't know if you guys were trying to stay away from spoilers, but this is next level adorable. I am gonna wear this so much. Okay, I'm leaving it on for the rest of the video. All right, okay. All right. So I see a little pop socket in here. That's cute. I don't use pop sockets just purely because I'm obsessed with my phone case, you guys. This is from a brand called Casetify. My husband got it for me for Christmas, and look, it does that swirl. I know I'm getting a little sidetracked, but that's why I don't use pop sockets. So I'll either find someone I know that wants to use that, or maybe I'll save it for like a giveaway, like mystery. Maybe I'll do a mystery box giveaway. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll save that. But you guys, okay, let me show you the exclusive item. Well, I think this is an exclusive one. Oh, and this is an exclusive one. So 1, 2, and 3 right here. This is the gloss, which we saw teased on his Snapchat or somewhere. This is called Succulent. Okay, I like that name. Very cute. Oh, you know I'm not gonna be able to throw away this packaging. It's so cute. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's a gorgeous pink. It is gorgeous and like blue and purple, kind of iridescent. Turn off my ring light so you can kind of see like all that shiftiness in there. Look at all the different colors, and I'll do a little swatch for you too. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is so pretty. Wow, I have my little flashlight on it now just so it could catch the light. You see that? That is so gorgeous. Smells the same as his other lip gloss. I just got Diamond Juice and I didn't feel like Diamond Juice had like a lot of intensity. I'm actually wearing it today and I can't even tell that I'm wearing it. Let's see if this one is a little bit better though. Oh my gosh, it's like a transformy one. Whoa, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, you did such a good job. so cute. Mwah. I kind of wish it was root beer smell just because I wish all of his lip stuff is root beer smell or just like all lip products in general, but oh, that's really pretty. It has that blue in there, but it has that pink, it has that purple. That is so cute, so cute. You know, I was wondering, I was like, what could the gloss be? Could it be like red? Because I don't think he has like a red. So that would be different, but I was like, if he did a pink, he has so many pinks, but this is, I don't know. Maybe I don't know his collection enough, but this is a pretty unique pink. I am so excited. Now, this is the product that I first opened the box, you guys, and I am freaking out. Do you see the aliens? Do you see it? Do you see it? Right when I opened the box, you guys, you saw me freak out for a second. It was both about the beanie, both about this. I freaking hope that this is the alien palette. I really, really do. If it's not, you know, I'll be a little heartbroken, but I hope it is. I haven't seen it in person, and this is pretty big, but the Jawbreaker is also this big, but I have the Jawbreaker. I'm really hoping that it's alien. Oh my goodness. This is the only one I don't have it in. Oh my gosh, it is. You guys, yay. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I gotta open her. I gotta open her up and see her in person because I haven't seen it in person, and I know it's gonna look even more beautiful in person than it did in the picture. Oh my gosh, the texture of it. I know some of you guys out there already have it. I know so many of you guys told me you need to get it, and I just never got around to it, and here it is now. Looking so cute with my background. Wow, 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 wow. I cannot believe it. I know that this is being discontinued too, you guys. So this and Thirsty Palette, if you've had your eyes set on them, you gotta get them before they're gone because he did announce that he's discontinuing this. And oh, it's so cute. All the colors. I know you guys have seen it, but oh, that purple is so pretty. The greens. Oh, and so many neutral shades. This would be like a really good neutral palette. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. So now the only palettes I don't have are the Androgyny and the Beauty Killer, which I'm not like super like obsessed with. That's why I never got around to it. So you guys, I'm so excited. All right, so the 3 exclusive items, the beanie, the gloss, and the pop socket. And then of course the alien palette isn't exclusive, but that is, I'm so excited. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing of the $60 premium box. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you excited for this? Of course, like I said at the beginning of the video, let me know what you got if you opened one. Did we get any different variations of palettes? Like, what is up? I think that the exclusive will be the same, but I don't know about the hat. Are the hats different? I'm spiraling. I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming the unboxing of box number 2, which is the deluxe that we had to pick a size for. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and make sure you are subscribed and your little bell is tapped. That way you get notified as soon as I post that video. But like I said, if it's the future, then you could just check the pinned comment down below and it should be a link there, or you could just go over to my channel and see if it's been posted. But that's enough for this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my unboxing video. I hope that every single one of you out there go out there and have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful day.